Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to disable your phone's autocorrect, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to disable your phone's autocorrect, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to go to your phone settings. And after opening your settings, scroll down until you find the additional settings option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And once you're on your additional settings, next, I want you to go to languages and input. And then tap manage keyboards. And then right here, I want you to select Gboard because this is the default keyboard of our phone, so this is where we can turn off the auto correction. And after that, you will now be directed to the Gboard settings. So here in Gboard settings, you will now be able to see the text correction option, which is where you can disable your phone's autocorrect, so just go and tap it. And then after that, you will now see the auto correction right here, so you can now turn it off to disable your phone's autocorrect. And after turning it off, it's done. Congratulations, your phone's autocorrect will now be disabled. But if your phone is still autocorrecting even after doing that, then just shut down or restart your phone, then it will be fixed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.